as a Mr. Handyman owner, and then Mr. Handyman supports the National Day of Service, and myself being a veteran of 20 years in the Navy, it only made sense to reach out to a veteran organization and support other veterans and be able to give back with myself and my company. But once a year we shut down our business for an entire day. We find a veteran that needs help. We pre-arrange the list of projects that we're going to do, and then we bring the whole crew in. As I tell them, we invade their house for a day, but by the time we're done, the quality of life for them and their family should be better than when we found it.
My dad, James Lovett Sr, was in the military for 30 years. He was in the Army. He joined the Army when he was like 17.
Mr. Lovett is awesome. He is the model veteran. He has served in 3 wars, World War II, Vietnam, and the Korean War, so it only makes sense to be able to give back to him and his family.
He's a big member of the VFW. He's been a volunteer at VFW for many years and helped build the chapter here. So this is just such a great honor to have, a retired military person who is giving back her service through Mr. Handyman, reach out to the VFW and then eventually select us. It's overwhelming how many people are here volunteering their time and the entire company, and my dad would just be so happy, and he would be probably telling everybody what to do because it's just the way he was, but it's just really an honor, and we do miss him, but I know he's looking out for us from above.
Today we are installing grab bars in both of the bathrooms, installing railings on their front porch and on their steps out front, power washing their deck and staining the deck, and moving some dirt there, retaining more headquarters.
Well, this is my 2nd year in the National Day of Service, and when Joe invited us to participate in this Workday and Service Day, it was a very special moment for me because it's part of our core business to give back some of our time and some of our effort to the community.
I am so excited to be here today. The weather is gorgeous. We're with all of our colleagues and friends, and really making a difference for this family and our community. This is our first year in the National Day of Service, and I personally was doubly excited because I'm a military brat, so the opportunity to help a veteran was really a great honor for me. And also, we were just really excited to be a part of this because it's important to us to be active in our community, both the community where we live and the business community within the Dwyer Group. We're happy to be doing this with a fellow franchisee from another brand, and we're just having a great day.
Where's he at? What was that?
You guys have work!
What about the schedule?
Thanks, Tim! Yes.
Thank you.
What do you think? We're almost done over here?
Have shutters up. Oh yes, I'm so glad. Awesome.